How to replace the base enclosure. Removal. Remove the 2 rubber feet from the base enclosure and set them aside for later replacement. Caution: the adhesive that secures the rubber feet to the base enclosure is very strong, so be careful not to break the rubber feet when removing them. Remove the 6 P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the base enclosure to the top cover. Remove the 1 T4 Torx-head screw at the front of the base enclosure that secures the base enclosure to the top cover. Starting at the top edge of the unit, carefully separate the base enclosure from the top cover. Remove the base enclosure. Replacement. Place the base enclosure into position on the top cover. Apply pressure along the edges to reattach the base enclosure to the top cover. Replace the 1 T4 Torx-head screw at the front of the base enclosure to secure the base enclosure to the top cover. Replace the 6 P1 Phillips-head screws underneath the rubber feet to secure the base enclosure to the top cover. Replace the 2 rubber feet on the base enclosure.